Hey everyone, my name is Guru. I am one of a leading affiliate marketing coach. What is affiliate marketing? The beauty of affiliate marketing is you don't need to create any product. The product was created by someone. You are just promoting that product and earning a lot of money. This is called affiliate marketing online business. In this video, I am going to explain you about a wonderful affiliate marketing program called $25 one up. If you are interested in earning $1,000 in 30 days, this is the best and easiest platform to earn $1,000 in just 30 days. What is $25 one up? $25 one up is very simple digital franchise affiliate marketing business. The best four features of $25 one up is 100% commission, instant payment, very low startup cost, roll ups and overrides. What is roll ups and overrides? I will explain you a little later. So all these four features together in one program you will never get. So that's why this program is a game changer of 2019. The program is fabulous, it's very simple and very easy. If you start work for 2 to 3 hours a day, you can earn $1,000 in just 30 days. $25 one up is for whom? Looking to start your own online business, affiliate marketing business, this business is for you. Already you are doing any online affiliate business but you are struggling there to make enough money, this business is for you. Any other job business and looking for part-time business and additional income, this business is for you. Housewife who wants to be financially independent, this business is for you. Retired people who want to work for 2 to 3 hours from home and earn money, this business is for you. Students who wants to do part-time business, this business is for you. If you start work for 2 to 3 hours a day from your home or anywhere committedly, within 1 or 2 months, your monthly earning will be as much as that. Most of the average people don't even earn in 1 year. So that's why I can assure you that's a kind of platform what we are talking about is called as $25 one up. So what is a product? What are we going to sell? It is very important that we need to understand the products that we are going to sell. $25 one up is a digital franchise product which provides knowledge for affiliate marketing and additional resources for affiliate marketing. First product is gold product. Price is $25. If you convert in Indian currency, it will be around 1900 rupees. Second product is platinum product. Price is $100. If you convert in Indian currency, it will be around 7600 rupees. Either you purchase gold product or platinum product, whatever the product you are purchasing, the company is giving you a reselling rights. You can sell the same product what you have purchased for multiple times and you can earn more money. For example, if you purchase gold product for $25, you can sell the same product multiple times and you can earn more money. Each sale you will get the profit of $25. If you purchase platinum product for $100, you can sell the same product multiple times. Each sale you will get the profit of $100. It will be directly credited to your account. No need to give a single penny to a company or anyone. Next, I will explain you what are the course material in gold product. Affiliate marketing cheat code, more mindset motivation, pre-written ads, ad copy cheat sheet for Facebook groups cheat sheet video, 50 ways or ideas to promote any business. So these are the course material in gold products. Next I will explain you what are the course material in platinum products. Facebook training, Instagram training and YouTube training. For example, if you take in Facebook training, it will start from the beginning. How to open the Facebook account and in which group we need to post the ad, at what time we need to post the ad, how to generate the inquiries through Facebook. So everything we can learn in detail. Same in Instagram training and in YouTube training. So all these resources training and all these resources you get for which can help you to do affiliate marketing business. This is your product. So bundle of all these resources is your product which you need to sell. That's what $25 one up is all about. So you have understand right. You are investing on learning. Investment on developing your skills is the best investment you can do on yourself. Whatever the skills you get and whatever the knowledge you are getting, which is going to be a lifetime for you. So that is the best investment you can do. So you are investing on yourself and earning more money. Next, there is a huge passive income in $25 one up online business. I will explain what is a passive income is. See in this video in the top you. Just assume you as yourself. you are doing your first sale, that amount is credited to your account. Your first sale person is doing his first sale, yes, that amount is credited to first sale person account. Your first sale person is doing his second sale V, that amount is credited to your account. Your first sale person is doing his third sale R, that amount is credited to first sale person account. If a S person is doing his second sale, that amount is credited to first sale person account. If a V person is doing his second sale, that amount is credited to your account. If a R person is doing his second sale, that amount is credited to first sale person account. So what is the concept here is, you can do 100 sales or 1000 sales, whatever you can. Only one sales, that is your second sales, you are giving to your sponsor. See in this, for example, you are doing 100 sales in platinum products. Total amount is $10,000. In those 100 sales, only one sales, that is your second sales, you are giving to your sponsor. Remaining is 99 sales. Your earnings is $9,900. It will be directly credited to your account. In those 99 sales peoples, they will do their second sales. That amount also credited to your account only. So here, indirectly you are earning 99 sales amount, plus indirectly new peoples are joining in your team. So like this, you just calculate your passive income. There is a huge passive income in $25 1UP online business. If you are interested to join in $25 1UP, in this video description, my Facebook link, Instagram link and WhatsApp number is there. You just direct message to me and I will send the joining link to you. By clicking that link and fill your details, and your own web hosting admin page will be open, same like you are seeing in this video. From this hosting admin page, you are going to learn the course and start doing the sales to multiple person. This web hosting page was maintained by $25 1UP company. So we have to pay $10 one-time payment to the company for our hosting page. So after you enter on the admin page, first step is, if you click the hosting column in this page, it will be directed to payment process. By using your international transaction card, you can pay $10 one-time payment to the company. After paying, immediately your hosting will get tick mark and get activated. Next, you can purchase gold level product or platinum level product, or you can purchase both the products for your reselling. Now I will explain how to purchase gold level product. If you click buy gold level, in the top price will be mentioned $25. In the bottom, my account number will be shown. You want to send the money to my account number. After that, in the bottom, payment done column is there. If you click the payment done, submit payment notification column will be open. Here you want to fill the payment transaction number details, and in the additional information, you just mention payment and give submit. After that, in my hosting page, I will receive your transaction number details. I will verify the transaction number is matching in my bank account. Approve, disapprove column is there in my hosting page. If the payment is done, I will give approve. Then your gold level product will get tick mark in your hosting page. Now you can click the gold level product and you can see the course material. Then you can start selling the gold level product. Next, if you click platinum level product, the price will be mentioned in the top $100, and in the bottom, my account number will be shown. By the same process, you can activate platinum level product and you can start selling the platinum level product. After you join in this $25 1UP, you can generate your own link from your web hosting page, and you can use that link for your sales inquiries, and there your account number will be mentioned in the bottom. After you join, I will explain how to fill your account number in the web hosting page. So this is a process of doing sales from your web hosting page. In my team, many people after they join, they have get their first sale within a day and taken their invested money on their first day itself. So this is a very easy platform to earn money. Are you ready to learn and take money and take action? Then this business is for you. You should have an attitude to earn. That's it. Then this business is for you. This affiliate marketing world is for you. Believe me, I am using a Facebook and Instagram account from 2018. Before that, I don't know how to use the Facebook and Instagram account. So I can learn and earn money in this business means anyone can easily learn and earn money in this platform. Hope you understand. If you are an action taker, direct message to my Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp. I will guide you how to earn in this platform. If you want same tutorial in Tamil language, check in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.